I hope are pleasurable. The first idea that I wanted to share is that the quantum field itself is not a great mystery. It's not some mysterious place that if we get on our knees and we do supplication and we punish ourselves and we go through a course or this, that and the other, that we can access. The quantum field is you. You are the quantum field. There's no separation. It's you. So really nothing is solid. It's just waveforms, and everything oscillates in a resonance, including you. So within this great network, this quantum field that is sentient, you exist, and you exist as a vibration. Now your vibration is signaled by your electromagnetic field that pulses from the I am command center. That's what I call it. You can think of it as your inner sun. It's your heart space. It's you. It's the inner sanctum, the temple. That's always running for you. But because of our monkey minds and because of the distractions of the exterior world, we often forget. And so I communicate with a group of enlightened beings called the Nine, and every single day they say to me, remember that you forgot to remember. So we're in a state of remembrance now. That's what we're doing here, individually and collectively. In September, I will be teaching this in a course and in small concierged grow groups. If you want to know more, DM me here in Istara. So the quantum field is there for you. It's a play space. It is a programmable environment, which means you signal your intention, you let go, and you see what happens. Think about how often, if you throw a pebble into a still lake, you agonize over where that pebble has gone once it gets through the surface of the water. You don't. You concentrate on the pleasure of the ripple. That's the point of what we're doing here. So the field is there for you. It is primed. It is ready to receive. What's important is what you're signaling. And when you're in a state of coherence, you signal more consistently and more coherently. Signaling is your intention. It's the things you want. It's your desires, it's your goals, it's your dreams, it's your hopes. It's ideas, it's all of these things. So it's an imprintable space that's around us. And the first step is to come into a consistent practice of coherence. You can do this with me, you can do it by yourself. Nature is a perfect place to do this. So play with this technique. But I invite you today to imprint onto the universe an idea and then let go. Like the pebble, drop it, let go, and see what happens. And perhaps start with something really, really small, but quite rare, something you wouldn't ordinarily bring into your life. It could be something like a rare coin. You know, maybe not of a great value, but it could be a coin that's foreign, for example. It could be a rare coloured butterfly. It doesn't matter. Just find something small, put that out there, and then let go. And don't agonize and don't think, when is it going to be shown to me? Forget about it. So I invite you to do that today. And then the second thing I'd like to share with you is that, and this came through directly this morning with the Nine, we are constantly as humans today asking, how can I connect more deeply to myself? How can I hear the I am? How can I hear God as God speaks through me? And the Nine said, stop scrolling. Stop being busy. Stop filling your life with noise, because how can we be heard? Now, there's nothing intrinsically wrong with going on social media and scrolling. I love it. I love connecting, I love seeing things, I love sharing things. That's not what we're talking about here. But if you find yourself constantly inputting from influencers and other way showers, then you're going to create a one-way street, and it's just going to be a constant flow of outside in information. And what we're aiming for with coherence is an equal flow. We want to be able to create a space where we can hear ourselves, the divine speaking through us. And the divine doesn't always speak as a stream of consciousness. The divine will speak to you in your environment often, in the comment of a friend, in a sign that you drive past, in a book that falls off a shelf. So notice what you notice, because the quantum field is primed, it's reciprocal, it's waiting for you, and it wants to speak to you. So carry that through your day to day. Have a little fun with it. Don't agonize and analyze everything to death. Just really think of it playfully. Think about what you could potentially bring through that would tickle your fancy today. And again, it doesn't have to be big. It can be something quite small.